Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2024 Bennington L Series 22-foot Bennington. This will have a 150 Yamaha on it. This is the swing back layout, so this will fold either way, so you can sit inside the boat or flip it back. Have a nice sun pad back here. Awesome boat. Up over here to the captain's chair area and the console, you got the nice Simrad GPS here, navigation, Rockford Fosgate stereo, very comfortable captain's chair here with double armrests, swivels forward and back, and then the seat will tilt forward and back. Then into this area here, it's nice. You got this nice L-shaped layout with this nice table feature here, so you can just hang out and visit. Really cool layout on this swing back model with the bench seat opposite of the captain's. Then up front, you got the radius seating. Nice big lounge seating. You can stretch your legs fully out. Got the nice cutouts there. With this, you can put some stuff back in there to store it. And then you got the speakers and some USB plugins there for your phones, and some really cool movable cup holders. This boat has a 10-foot bimini, and we did the carbon with the tan interior. Very nice with the very cool detailed stitching. Just a really good look on this boat. The paneling outside, we did the white paneling. I'll get you an outside shot of that. Really cool boat. Come on out to MarineMax. Check out our Bennington L Series, 22 feet. Looks really cool with this white paneling. This will be at our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can call us at 864-236-9005 or come out to the store. And just to show y'all, a lot of Benningtons. And we have a bunch more inside and a bunch around the front. So come on out, pick out your Bennington. I think it might be 80 some degrees this week. So a lot of great boating left, even though it's fall. We still got some great summer weather coming. Thank you all.